Hi everyone! Here's a fun game students can play to practice spelling or writing letters, words, or sentences. For this activity, you'll need a die, a pencil, and a sheet of paper. So let's create a chart with 6 columns and 6 rows. You can add more rows or reduce them depending on how much time you want to spend on this activity. On the first row, write the numbers from 1 to 6 like this. On the second row, write the letters or words or sentences that you want students to practice. Now it's time to play the game. Roll the die and write the word that matches the number you roll. For example, if I roll a 1, I would write the word bread. And if I roll a 2, I would write the word jam and repeat this process throughout. Roll the die and write the word. I'm going to roll the die, and this time I roll a 2, so I'll write the word jam. And guess what? I finished writing all the words in column 2. Jam reached the finish line first, so jam is the winning word. Now let's see how it's done. You can have the students write the words or create the tables yourself and hand them out as worksheets during class. You can play this game in many different ways. They can play it individually or in pairs or groups as a competitive team game. Sometimes students want to complete the whole chart, so you can play it that way, or you could also give them a time limit and see how much they can get done in a certain amount of time. So just have the students roll the die and practice spelling out the words. Once students have a winning word or words, you can call students out to the front and have them spell the word without looking at the worksheet. Ta-da! My winning word is egg, number 6. And if you want to build in creating the charts into the activity, you can have the students fold the chart themselves like this. Keep folding until you have enough rectangles or spaces to write the words. And play the game the same way using the folded sheet of paper. And write the words on the second row, and there you go. The students have so much fun with this activity and they don't want to stop. I hope you enjoy this game with your students as well. If you like this video, press like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.